There's never been a better time to buy final expense insurance. Also known as burial insurance, final expense provides a cash benefit to families when they need it most. On the worst day of their lives, families need money to pay for their loved ones' final wishes. Without a final expense plan, many suffer to come up with the adequate funds. Thank you for watching our video about final expense insurance. We're Lincoln Heritage Life Insurance Company, your #1 resource for final expense and funeral education. We're going to cover 4 reasons to buy final expense burial insurance. If you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe by clicking the icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the video. Let's look at reason number 1.
We get appreciation letters all the time, and matter of fact, we even get letters from funeral homes thanking us because of how fast we pay our claims. That doesn't normally happen. So, I mean, it's amazing. And you know, you get, the business just keeps coming in because of the fact that, I mean, we're doing what we're saying that we do. I mean, that is what Lincoln Heritage does. And because of that, you know, people see that and they're coming to us and saying, you know, I want that policy also, because they see how we're paying our claims.
Traditional life insurance policies can take weeks or months to pay families the benefit, but final expense life insurance can be paid immediately upon claim approval, often within 24 hours.
When somebody passes away, it's great for an insurance company to pay the claim, and Lincoln Heritage is one of the best in the business when it comes to paying those claims quickly, getting that money to the family and or the mortuary or the funeral home very fast. Obviously very, very important, especially for all those folks that need the money. They don't have any discretionary money sitting in the bank.
Life insurance can be difficult to qualify for, especially if you have health problems. But final expense insurance is different. There is no medical exam required because coverage is issued based on answers to health questions on the application. Most people qualify even with existing health conditions.
A lot of companies won't insure individuals that Lincoln insures. So it's refreshing walking into a house, being able to insure somebody that might maybe be overweight or has diabetes or a heart condition, and we're walking out with a policy, you know, and knowing that we're going to pay that claim, which is so important. And I mean, these people are so thankful. They're hugging you when they leave, and it's great. You know, everybody needs this product.
Unlike other life insurance plans, final expense policies have fixed rates for the life of the policy, as long as premiums are paid. Because final expense is typically used to cover funeral costs, the coverage amount is usually much smaller than traditional policies, making the premium budget-friendly. Lots of final expense insurance companies exist, but many don't offer any funeral planning services with their policy. This leaves surviving loved ones feeling lost and confused about what final arrangements to make.
When someone bought a final expense plan through a final expense agent, shoot, that money can be used to buy a funeral anywhere in the world. Cash was cash. And I kept on thinking there has to be a better way to do this. There has to be a way where people can take care of their arrangements, let their loved ones know exactly what they want done, and actually put that in writing, all their final wishes, to where those wishes could be archived and available at a later date for their loved ones, so they know exactly what their parents or loved one wanted at the time of their death, and fund those arrangements, fund those final wishes with a final expense plan from Lincoln Heritage Life.
Lincoln Heritage Life Insurance Company is the leading provider of final expense insurance because it understands that surviving loved ones need more than just a cash benefit. They need expert guidance on how to navigate the funeral industry.